Alright guys, so back again today with a huge video. I know it's been a while since I've, put anything out. Kind of been building up some stuff for some new videos. But I've got a special one here for you all today. So, I know most of y'all are already familiar with that Spiderman booth. So I actually purchased one of their superior. This is the V11. I just got it in the mail a few days ago. Super hyped, super excited. I've been wanting to buy one of these forever, and I finally bit the bullet and purchased one. I, I don't even know how to describe, my thoughts on it other than, if I hit one of these big booths that's in there, I'm going to go nuts. I know there's still, last time I seen, there's still a Stan Lee autograph out there, which, man, that would be a dream book right there. So, the thing on these boxes, they're $250 free shipping. They usually come with a couple art prints, usually some autographs, several different books, and hopefully a big slab, something to take it over the top. So, let's get to it, guys. I haven't watched anybody unbox any of this season's boxes, but I have watched, previous boxes of where they've unboxed them, and I've seen people get some really awesome stuff out of them. Alright, so we got V11 now, and we got V12 starting July 8th. So, I'm not sure if that's the date that the actual, he does like two different sales. He has a pre-sale where he sells to people that, usually bought some of this stuff, and then he does a public sale. And I'm not sure if that's the date for that or not. Alright guys. Okay, so I think we do have a slab in the bottom. We do. So I'm going to take stuff out one at a time, do the slab the very last. Alright, so it's got Rebirth on it. Let's see what we got out here. This will be one of the prints. I've seen some of them really cool. Let's see. It's a little hard to get out. Alright, sitting there. Alright, so what we get? Oh man. So we've got, I don't know if that's a legit autograph. I can't remember on these. I'm pretty sure it is. So we've got an Amazing Spider-Man print. I'm pretty sure it's signed by John Romita Jr. So that is awesome right there. That's Spider-Man 121. So that's a heck of a way to already get started. Got an autographed print. Alright. So guys, let me know down in the comments if you all have ever purchased one of these superior. Purchased one of the V11s. I'd love to see what y'all got. So definitely let me know and I'll check it out. Alright. They do a super great job of, is that a print? Maybe I don't have a slab. I'm not sure. I thought I did, but I think it's something else now that I got down there looking at it. So that's a little disappointing, but yeah, I didn't get, don't look like I got a slab, unfortunately. So here's the box with the comics. Got a awesome little sticker here, Street Level Hero. Got the Superior box with all the books in it. So it looks like these are more art prints down here. I thought it was a slab because it had a protective covering around it. I actually got a bunch of art prints. Oh man. So, wow. So first one we've got a Boss Logic signed Miles Morales art print. That is amazing. Get some wear off of it. We got the autograph down here in the corner. That's nice. Wow. So next one we've got, pretty sure this is a Frank Miller, no, sorry, Jim Lee sign. If I just read it, I'd seen. That is an awesome print. Got Batman, Superman, two of my favorites. You got the autograph down there at the bottom. And last but not least, we have so these are the rejected covers from the last box. They actually had a special print of Spider-Woman #1 made for them, and these was rejected because some sort of defect. But this is autographed and numbered by J.P. McFly. That is awesome. So I got number 24 and a 300 right there. So even though it don't look like I got a slab, I've got some really awesome items so far. So far I've got, 4 autographs. So I can't beat that. And this box feels like it's packed. So first thing we got here is another little sticker, Anti-Venom Club. So he's doing a Superior Plus show. This is where he gives out additional chances to win books. All you have to do is follow these, steps. Post where you purchased your box and your unboxing, and use a hashtag, and he'll enter you in the chance to win other items. Right. Man, they go all out and make sure that everything's protected. I can already see I got another autograph here. Oh man, and we've got some old books. Alright, first cover we got. Let's set these back here. I'm not sure what book that is, but that's an awesome Venom cover. See if we can see what it is. A lot of these Virgin variants you have to take it out and look at them, see what they are. So we got Amazing Spider-Man #2. Alright. Next cover, which which I actually already have this one, so I'll be probably putting this one up for sale. Nice Mary Jane Venom cover. And this is book This is Venom number 19. Okay. Not really sure about this one. Let's see what this book is. So we've got X-Men Gold number 30. Not sure who it is on the cover. Maybe Psylocke. We actually got Psylocke right here. Another nice Virgin variant cover. This book is... So this is Hellions number 1. I really like that cover though. Got another nice Venom cover. This one is... So we've got Venom number 1. I actually don't think I have this one. Or it's annual number 1. Still don't have it. Alright, so we got some nice old book here. We've got Mighty Thor number 146. The Thunder Be Gone. Love all these old books. To me, you can't beat these old covers. I'll take one of these over 10 of the newer books. Not sure if that's a key. I'll have to check that out here shortly, which I'll check it out and let y'all know in the video. So it looks like we've got a deceased cover, which I don't have it. Somehow I don't have any of these deceased books, so I'm happy to get this. So this is a Planet Awesome collectible deceased 1 of 6. That's a really nice cover. Alright, and we've got the Boss Logic Flash 750. I think this is the main cover, which I already do have this book, so it'll be another one I'm going to be putting up for sale. These books are super hot. So this is one of my favorite covers. Alright, this is, I think this might be the Boss Logic. Pretty sure this is Boss Logic Wonder Woman 750. Another amazing cover. And then last book we've got a sign. Let's see, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles number 98 by Kevin Eastman. And that does have the COA. So, love that book. Love the Ninja Turtles. Can't beat it getting a Kevin Eastman signature. So that's five autographs out of this box. So that's, I mean, that pays for this box by itself. I'm pretty sure all those prints are short numbered and rare in value. So, well, that's it with the box. Love these Superior boxes. Definitely will be getting another one in the future. Be looking out for the July 8th box. If y'all are interested, definitely just go to the That Spiderman booth around that time and check it out. I will leave a link down in the description how you get to their page. please definitely go down, smash that like and subscribe button if you haven't did that already. And I want to thank everybody for coming out and watching my video today. Should have some more stuff going up soon. I have, I think, 2 or 3 more mystery boxes that I'll have coming out this week. I've got one from, well, not this week, over the next week and a half. I've got one from Sabretooth Comics. What else I got? I've got my Comic Tom 101 box that'll be coming out, and then what was the last one? Oh yeah, I bought a mystery box from someone on Instagram. It's Slabs Comics, so I'm really excited to get to see what's in them boxes. So I've seen a lot of good older books in those, so like I said, the older books are, my jam. So I can't wait to open that one. So again, thank everybody for coming out, and hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you all next video.